Part 4. The Millionaire Paradox. So what do millionaires actually drive? The answer should be obvious. If you have millions of dollars, why would you drive an ordinary car? Why sit in traffic in the same Toyota as everyone else when you could own almost anything on the road? But when researchers studied thousands of American millionaires, they found something that sounds almost like a joke. One of the most common cars driven by millionaires was a Toyota, not a Ferrari, not a Lamborghini, a Toyota. Hondas were also among the most common brands. Think about that. Somebody could afford a car worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, but chooses to drive a vehicle that looks almost exactly like the one parked next door. And the reason isn't always that they can't afford the Ferrari. Many of them could buy one tomorrow. They simply don't see the purchase the same way. Most people look at a car and ask, "Can I afford the monthly payment?" A wealthy person might ask, "What could this money become if I didn't spend it?" Because every dollar has two possible futures. You can spend it today, or you can give it time. A luxury car gives you something immediately. An investment gives you something invisible. At first, nothing seems to happen. The money just sits there, quietly, boringly. But over time, it can begin producing more money. And that money can produce even more. This is why many millionaires are careful about lifestyle inflation. Imagine someone receives a $1,000 monthly raise. Instead of investing the extra money, they upgrade their apartment, buy a new car, eat at more expensive restaurants, take more expensive vacations. Within months, the entire raise is gone. Their income increased, but their wealth didn't. The quiet millionaire does something different. When their income rises, their lifestyle may rise slowly. But the gap between what they earn and what they spend gets invested. And over time, that gap becomes an engine. This doesn't mean wealthy people never spend money. They absolutely do. The difference is they don't confuse spending money with building wealth. They build the machine first. Then they let the machine pay for the lifestyle. And that brings us to the most important part of the story. Because driving a Toyota won't make you rich. Avoiding designer clothes won't make you rich. The real question is, how does money begin to grow faster? How does someone go from saving a few $100s to watching their wealth increase by thousands without working thousands of extra hours? The answer begins with a number that sounds surprisingly small: $100,000.